Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche Boxster 986. I've got the brand new clutch, IMS bearing done, rear main seal done, flywheel, pretty much everything done on this side here. We are ready to assemble the gearbox. Here's the gearbox here. This is the water pump, brand new water pump, brand new thermostat here, modified pump drive here for the actual oil feed for the IMS bearing. That's done as well. That's all done. I've got the new pulleys here, new pulleys, drive belt and all that stuff here. So I'm replacing this, 1, 2, 3. That one there's alright, not bad. And I'm doing a new compressor because this is very noisy when you put the compressor on. It's very noisy on the car. Not that bad here, but when in the car it's very noisy. Alright, that's all done. The power steering pump's fine, nothing wrong with it. But here we are right now. Camshaft is all locked in top dead center. That one there. If you're wondering where the mark is always like a cut out there. Alright. Now we're going to assemble the gearbox. And then on Monday I'm going to take the intake out, replace this oil cooler and all the other stuff inside here, and this hose here, I've got to replace that, it's too old, and the paper separator, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.